Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an invisible folder in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First of all, we'll need to create a new folder. To do this, right-click on Desktop and select the New Folder option. Now we'll have to set the folder to have no title. To do so, right-click on the folder and click Rename option. Then type here Alt+0160 or you can just copy and paste the invisible character from the character map. To do this, go to Search and open Character Map. Then scroll down until you find the invisible character. Copy it and then paste it into the folder's name. Now let's disappear the folder's icon. Right-click on the folder and open Properties. Go to the Customize tab and click on the Change Icon option. Now find and select the invisible icon and apply the changes. And there you have it. You have successfully created an invisible folder in Windows. Here you can store your sensitive data and no one will ever know about this. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.